Hey Lynn, it's Glenn. I'm here at 72 Chermside Road and I cannot find you.
I'm out the front. I'm near the teapot. No, this is where we were supposed to meet. Whereabouts are you?
That's where you are. How many houses are you actually selling here?
No, you were supposed to be here. All right, well, I'll see you inside. Well, I don't know where you are, but you really need to hurry up because you're missing out. The coloured glass windows in the back of this house are just beautiful.
Yeah, I know. I'm loving these high ceilings. What about this fretwork and these original tongue and groove walls?
Well, if you ever manage to arrive, you'll be able to appreciate the beautiful wrought iron balustrating. It's original from 1910 when the house was built. You're missing out on so much stuff.
Okay Lynn, I'm on my way. I'm gonna find you.
Alright, I'll meet you by the fireplace.
Hey, there you are.
Finally.
Wow, this is a bit romantic.
Well, yeah, but let's focus on this house. How amazing is this parlour? So now that you're finally here, let's discuss this amazing property. The front home has 3 bedrooms, 2 of them with en-suites, this beautiful parlour, separate dining space, very good functionable kitchen, just amazing fretwork throughout. What did you find?
Well, in the second home, there was 3 bedrooms, an ensuite, beautiful front veranda, and big double car accommodation underneath.
Amazing, and all of this sits on 1,138 square metres of land. If you want to organise your private viewing, give me a call. Did you bring the marshmallows?